This lighting is a little whack. Today, we're going to be going on a journey to paint a skate deck. I am so excited for this. Let's just hop right into it.
Riddle the masses, show how to get to their classes, but they gotta get up on their asses, and I got my assets line.
Sorry, but you don't have a clue. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you.
I'll be looking down for you in the front row. I'ma dance around real slow. I'ma dance around real slow.
That's that. It came out phenomenal. I did not expect to have this much detail in it. I'm sorry, it's really hard to see because of the light, but you've already seen it in the clip. So it's awesome. I am so proud with how it came out. My influences / inspirations for this was just kind of like Gons and Mobius and myself. I wanted lots of color, detail. These look really detailed, but I just drew squares and dots pretty much. I also wrote my Instagram tag at the bottom, my art account. I never really promote my art account on my YouTube, which I should. So if you want to follow that account, it will be linked down below. It's just at oriauna.art on Instagram. That's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this little montage / art journey we did together in quarantine. Also, let me know if you want me to do another one of these where I paint a deck, but I skate it instead of put it on my wall. So if I see another deck on the street, I will pick it up, I will paint it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.